Welcome to the Rees Valley Painting Workshop, this one from Lord of the Rings territory, the stunning Rees Valley in the South Island of New Zealand. Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to paint a beautiful atmospheric glowing light effect. You'll be able to use this effect in a lot of your landscape paintings. I'll also show you how to design mountains so that they look better in your painting. We'll be using the simple process of painting from the darks to the midtones to the lights. And I'll show you the all-important techniques of adding those finishing touches that really bring your painting to life. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.